Welcome back. Goa Bachao Abhiyan has objected to opening of the ODPs for corrections. GBA is annoyed as the government has not decided guidelines yet. ODPs have been opened for 3 towns on 8 November for minor corrections. Abhiyan urged the citizens to be vigilant about the piecemeal suggestions catering to personal interest during the next 30 days.
Notification has been issued on November 8th mentioning minor changes in outline development plan of Panji, Taligaon and Mapsa. The Goa Bachao Abhiyan suspects something fishy as the notification has no guidelines for objections.
GBA is objecting to the ODP being opened up for corrections because the guidelines have not been laid out. The notification says that guidelines will be decided. So without deciding the guidelines, what kind of corrections the government proposed to do is suspect.
The GBA has alleged that Regional Plan 2021 is in danger of being subverted as the North Goa Planning and Development Authority has proposed the reopening of select outline development plans for piecemeal changes.
That when you do piecemeal correction, then the whole plan gets distorted. If one looks at the Regional Plan 2011 that people fought against, it was precisely against this. There were many gazette changes that were made which were later put into the plan, and then one saw that it was completely against planning norms, and that's why people revolted against the 2011 plan. The same thing is going to happen with the ODP.
GBA has demanded one plan for state by 2013 by taking all stakeholders into confidence.
Now, since the ODP of Panjim was notified in 2008, 2013 is the year midway. After 5 years, the plan can be revised. Now, we would suggest that the guidelines be laid out, criteria be laid out, the ODP be kept revised or kept open for revision in a very transparent manner, like the way that was done for RP. Follow the planning norms of going to the local bodies, panchayat level. There are planning procedures laid down. Follow them, keep it open, and then finalize the ODP and incorporate it in the Regional Plan 2021.
Our reporter from Panji, Mahesh Khadi, with video journalist Sushant Par.
A dump barge owned by Vaibhavi Shipping submerged in the vicinity of main channel of the MPT. Barge was hired by Western India Shipyard for dredging and disposing the mud in the sea, but submerged at buoy number 4 on Thursday night at 10 o'clock. MPT has asked the shipyard to expedite the process of removing the barge. Fortunately, there were no casualties as the workers on board were rescued by another boat.
A dump barge belonging to Vaibhavi Shipping was engaged by Western India Shipyard for dredging of mud. Unfortunately, the barge sank in mid-sea while it was disposing the mud. Barge drowned after it developed a hole in it. There were 4 crew members who, after noticing the leakage, immediately called for help.
Last night at about 10 o'clock in the night, in fact, one of the barge which was going, it just sank the mid of the sea, a bit away from the buoy number 4.
Okay.
It's no way obstructing our channel. It's absolutely free. And in fact, morning we went there, the whole team went there. We inspected the whole site, and we put a small identification mark also. And that particular barge was carrying dump material, basically from the WSL. And we already requested the party to retrieve the ship from the seabed. That's the progress going on now.
Yeah, and that vessel was hired by MPT?
No. We don't hire barges and all. Basically, that was used by WSL, West India Shipyard.
Okay, it was hired by Western Shipyard.
And for dumping the waste material, which is a dredging. Dredging was going on.
MPTतल्या सूत्राकडून मिळालेल्या माहितीनुसार जी बोट जी चिखल घेऊन वयताली ती खूप जुनी असलेली आणि स्क्रॅप मटेरियलापासून केलेली अशी म्हणून माहिती मिळता. नशीब बरे असलेले ते 4 क्रूचे. ते 4 क्रू दुसरी बोट लागी असल्या कारणान त्यांना वाचोवपाक शक्य जाले. नाजाल्यार आयज 4 जाणांचे लायफ वचपाची शक्यता असलेली. अश्यो बोटी ह्यो इल्लिगली हांगसर हे ड्रेजिंग काम करून म्हणजे रजिस्टर्ड नासतना हे हांगसर काम करता. हेची दखल कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स घेतलो काय कितें? वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
Power theft case in the neighborhood constituency of Power Minister. A hawker illegally took electricity connection directly from electricity pole at Vasco. Though he agreed that one of the electricity officials arranged it for him, he denied it later. AE and JE reached at the site and took the stock of the situation.
Have a look at this hawker. He has taken direct connection from the electricity pole. When we questioned him, this is what he said.
कितना दिन से आप आ रहा है? कितना साल से आप आ रहा है यहाँ पे?
इधर ही है सर मैं। हाँ? इधर ही है सर मैं।
इधर ही आता है। कितना साल से दुकान लगाता है इधर रास्ते पे?
सर खाली सीजन में 4 दिन के लिए।
सीजन में हर साल लगाता है? हर साल लाइट लेता है?
नहीं अभी यही 2 दिन हुआ।
कौन दिया तुमको लाइट? कौन दिया? नाम क्या उसका?
नहीं
बिना नाम से तुम पहचानता नहीं उसको? हाँ?
ऐसा खाली
डिपार्टमेंट का आदमी है ना? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट का आदमी है? हाँ?
माइक लिया सर।
लाइट कनेक्शन कौन दिया तुमको? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट का आदमी दिया क्या? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट का आदमी दिया क्या नहीं दिया? कौन दिया? क्या तुम किया कनेक्शन?
मैंने लिया सर थोड़ा सा।
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट से लिया?
A Vasco correspondent informed the electricity officials and they reached the spot. Till then, they had no clue. But when they reached the spot, the hawker disconnected the connection and changed his statement too.
मैं
बोल के तुमको कैसा मालूम पड़ा?
कल ही देखा मैंने, मेरे पास इधर बैटरी खत्म होने पर नहीं लगा, इसके लिए मैं इधर उधर दुनिया में पूरा सेटिंग किया, इसमें नहीं चला तो उसमें देखा तो लगा, इसके लिए मैंने ले लिया। खाली हम
अभी पहला तुम बोला था इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाला दिया बोल के, अभी तुम घुमाता है क्यों?
उसमें वायर था वो मैंने डाल के देखा।
नहीं पहला तुम बोला इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाला कनेक्शन दिया बोल के अपने को, अभी तुम घुमाता है क्यों?
People question the AE and the JE.
You conducting why? How the person who can climb on the pole? Who can climb on the pole?
See his audacity. He says when he came there.
Who can climb on the pole? अरे कोण चढूंक शकता पोलाचेर? कोणाक रायट आसा पोलार चढून हे करपाक, वायर कनेक्शन दिवपाक? मातशें लायलो मातशें 21 दीस लायला, 8 वर्सां जाली लायता. मातशें लायलें कितें उलयता तुमी?
क्या मनशा कापय हांगा?
Later, late in the evening on Friday, electricity officials charged penalty to the hawker. However, they have not filed any complaint of power theft with the Vasco police. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Badkaikar, for Prudent.
Transgenders from the other states are in Goa to raise their voice for equality in the society. They are asking for reservation from the government. They are also asking for some sort of welfare schemes which can make them self-dependent.
Transgenders, who are also known as Hijras, have come to Goa from the other parts of India to take part in a program named Anam Prem. Transgenders from Goa or from the other states have to say that they are firstly abandoned by the family and then by the society.
मुझे लगा कि अगर मेरे पेरेंट्स को ये सब दिक्कत आ रही है, उनके समाज के सामने फैमिली में कुछ अगर उनको कमेंट्स कर रहे हैं कि आपके लड़का ऐसा है तो ऐसा है, तो मैं सोची अगर मैं दूर रह के कुछ अच्छा काम करके मेरे फैमिली को बता सकती हूँ, तो देन इसलिए मैं बाहर आ गई.
I controlled myself for 2 years. Fine, okay, fine. It's okay. Today will change, tomorrow will change. Okay, they will accept me. But it was not. It was very hard time to go through that. And afterwards, like, I only decided, okay, fine. I love my family very much. Still, I love them. Still, I miss them. But if I'm going to be there with them, they will face more humiliation. They will face more shame. For that reason, I thought, like, I decided I'll leave my house.
Talking at the event, Chairman of Goa State Human Rights Commission said that Constitution of India gives equal rights to the transgenders also. But when the matter comes of reservation, then definition of male and female becomes crucial.
It's not correct to say that they don't have any right under the Constitution of India. They have all the rights which are available to a human being under the Constitution of India. The other requirement in the Constitution, possibly there should be some reservation in the matter of employment, if not for anything else, only to encourage people belonging to this part of the society.
During the event, the transgenders shared their experience with each other and discussed the problem related with the community. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.